What's my name? What's my name? W-I-C-K-E-T. Saying that hush in the party, cause he lost my invitation. Friendly reminder, got my own kind of persuasion.
Looks like this place could use a bit of misbehavior. Happily ever after with a little flavor.
Bad to the bone with even worse intentions. We're gonna steal the show and leave them all defenseless. A fairy tale.